In modern interior design, ceilings are no longer just plain white surfaces above our heads. They've become one of the most important elements that can completely transform the look of a room. Among all ceiling styles, the gypsum ceiling with lighting from the wall side has become a top trend. The soft, hidden glow creates an illusion of depth, makes the ceiling look as if it is floating, and adds a luxurious atmosphere to any space. This style is loved because it combines both beauty and function. It provides lighting while also acting as a design feature. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step through the process of making a gypsum ceiling with wall-side lighting, from planning and materials to installation and finishing touches. Planning the ceiling design. The very first step is proper planning. A gypsum ceiling is not something you can just start building without a clear idea. You need to carefully measure the size and height of your room, and then decide how much of a drop you want for the false ceiling. Usually, gypsum ceilings are lowered between 6 and 12 inches, but for wall-side lighting, you may need a little more depth to hide the LED strips. During this stage, it's a good idea to sketch your design or use software to visualize how the ceiling will look. Planning also involves deciding whether you want a simple border design, a layered ceiling, or something more creative like curves or floating panels. Materials and tools required. Before starting construction, you need to make sure all the necessary materials and tools are ready. For the ceiling itself, gypsum boards or plasterboards are essential. To support them, you will need GI channels or metal framing sections. Other materials include screws, jointing tape, and pop compound for finishing. On the lighting side, you'll need LED strips, preferably high-quality ones that last long and give an even glow. Aluminum channels are also recommended because they not only give a neat finish but also prevent the LEDs from overheating. And finally, basic tools like measuring tape, drills, cutters, and sanding equipment are must-haves for the process. Building the framework. The framework is the skeleton of your gypsum ceiling. This is created using GI channels that are fixed around the perimeter of the room and then connected across to form a grid. The grid needs to be perfectly level, otherwise, the entire ceiling will look uneven. This stage requires precision, and it's always better to take your time checking the measurements before moving forward. An important design detail here is leaving a gap between the ceiling and the wall edges. This recessed space is where your LED lighting will later be placed, and it's what gives the ceiling its floating effect. Fixing the gypsum boards. Once the framework is ready, the gypsum boards are cut to size and fixed onto the frame with screws. The boards are lightweight and easy to handle, which makes this process smoother. You should work systematically, starting from one side of the room and moving across, making sure that every board sits flat and is properly secured. Along the edges, remember to leave the planned gap for the hidden lighting. At this stage, the structure of the ceiling will begin to take shape, and you'll start seeing how the design will eventually look. Installing the lighting. This is the part that makes the design truly stand out. The hidden wall-side lighting is usually done with LED strip lights. These lights are placed in a recessed area along the edges, giving off a soft glow that reflects on the walls and ceiling. Aluminum channels can be used to house the LED strips neatly, which also helps protect them from dust and heat. The wiring should always be done carefully and ideally by a professional electrician, because safety is just as important as beauty. Once the lights are in place, you can already see how the ceiling transforms the mood of the room. Finishing and painting. After the lights and boards are installed, the finishing stage begins. The joints between the boards are sealed with joint tape and covered with pop compound to create a seamless look. Once it dries, the entire surface is sanded to a smooth finish. Now the ceiling is ready for painting or decoration. White is the most common choice because it reflects light beautifully, but depending on your interior style, you can also experiment with pastel shades, bold contrasts, or even wood finishes. A clean, well-painted surface is what brings the whole ceiling design together. Design variations you can try. One of the best things about gypsum ceilings is that they allow for endless design variations. For smaller rooms, a simple single-layer drop ceiling with wall-side lighting is perfect. For larger living spaces, a double-layer design creates a grand and dramatic effect. Curved edges are ideal for dining areas or lounges, as they add a sense of softness and flow. And for those who want something very modern, floating ceiling panels with lighting all around them make a powerful statement. Each variation can be customized with different types of lighting, warm, cool, or even color-changing LEDs for a unique atmosphere. Lighting options and mood effects. Lighting is not just about brightness. It's about creating the right mood. Warm white LEDs create a cozy, intimate feel that is great for bedrooms and living rooms. Cool white gives a modern, clean effect that suits kitchens and workspaces. RGB lights take it a step further, allowing you to change the color of the glow depending on your mood, whether it's a calm evening, a family gathering, or a party night. The choice of lighting is what personalizes the ceiling and makes it more than just a design. It becomes an experience. Maintenance and safety tips. A gypsum ceiling with lighting doesn't require too much maintenance, but there are a few things to keep in mind. Always choose high-quality gypsum boards to avoid cracks or sagging. If you live in a humid area, moisture-resistant boards are a smart choice. The LED lights themselves should be cleaned occasionally so dust doesn't reduce their brightness. And most importantly, wiring and installation should always be done carefully to prevent any safety risks. With good materials and proper installation, such a ceiling can last for years without any problems. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's planning a home renovation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more interior design inspiration.